I would bet you $100 right now you cannot come up with a better lead generation strategy in this market today. It's an amazing way to make fast cash right now and sustain long-term success. Guys, it's a tough market right now. I literally just got off the phone with somebody that was crying to me because they had to go and take 3 part-time jobs because they can't afford to feed their family and keep a roof over their head. He had to go and take a night job working as a security guard because he said he's not making enough money in real estate right now. And then he has 2 other part-time jobs to subsidize his income. Guys, this is totally unacceptable. This is literally why I started doing real estate in the first place, was to make money and be financially free. And it worked for me. You guys already know, if you watch any of my old videos, I am making money hand over fist. I made $510,000 last year as a brand new agent. That was after 2 years in the business. I am currently making over $750,000 this year alone, okay? And guys, let me tell you, I'm doing it with rentals. That's right. I'm a real estate agent and I'm working with renters. I know that a lot of agents and brokers and mentors and team leaders say, do not work with renters. You're barely gonna make any money at all. I just got off the phone with somebody else like 2 hours ago and they told me the exact same thing. And you know what they said to me? They're leaving their brokerage. The broker told them that they could only make a couple $100s doing rentals, and that could not be further from the truth. I'm making right now on average $2,000 commission per deal, and I've been making that for years now. And this broker over there is telling this poor agent who's struggling they could only make a couple $100. They're feeding them BS. It's not true whatsoever. It's complete nonsense. You only need one lead generation strategy right now, and that is rentals. That's all you need to focus on. That's all you need to work with. Listen, guys, renters are struggling right now. They can't find realtors that are helping them to find places. They actually need real estate agents that are willing to work with them. They don't have the luxury to be able to buy a house right now.
Home prices have continued to rise across the country. That combination of higher prices, higher interest rates, and scarce inventory have, for some Americans, made trying to buy a home a fool's errand.
What are they going to do? They're going to have to rent. They don't have any choices right now. The mortgage rates are crazy high. What are we at? Like 8% today? And it's probably going to go up even higher as well. And then the inventory of homes to purchase is really low right now. So guess what? That means that the prices are also going to be very high. Until the mortgage rates stay high for, let's say, a year or two, we're not going to see decreased prices and we're not going to see increased inventory. So it's still going to be a renter's market for the foreseeable future. I'm guessing at least the next few years or so. So if you're a real estate agent and you're struggling right now, you don't know which lead generation method to use, it's rentals. It's so clear and plain as day. You can make a killing on rentals right now. I have a strategy that I perfected, and I talk about this all the time. I call it my MLS strategy, my apartment locator strategy, my any broker advertise strategy. All you're basically doing is taking listings that are on your MLS, if you're doing the MLS private owner strategy, and then you're just taking them and putting them on Facebook Marketplace with the permission of the listing agent. That's it. That's all you have to do is ask for permission. They say yes. Of course you can go and advertise my rental listing because I'm lazy and I don't want to do it myself, because listen, they just post it on the MLS and it gets, sent out to a couple sites, but they're not putting it on Facebook Marketplace. Let's get real. Most agents don't want to do it because they don't know how much money they can be making doing the volume of rentals. Imagine this, $2,000 average commission per deal is what I'm getting right now, and then you multiply that by 30 deals a month. That's $60,000 in net commission, because obviously I'm with EXP and I'm an Icon agent, so I make 100% commission. Well, technically a little bit more, but that's for another video. Guess what, guys? You can do the exact same thing. Just throw them up there on Facebook Marketplace with the permission of the listing agent, and all of a sudden you're going to get leads flooding into you. You can get hundreds of leads per day and they're all free. You don't have to pay for leads whatsoever. All the marketing is completely free. I literally teach this entire system A to Z, start to finish, in my program that I just created, and you also get 12 sessions with me. I'm going to drop a link in the description below. You can try it on your own if you want, right? But it took me thousands of hours to perfect this strategy. I calculated out it was probably about 15,000 hours that I did start to finish to actually perfect that strategy. So yeah, if you guys want to try it on your own, I'll give you a couple tips right now and you can go and try it, right? But you're not going to perfect it. You're going to be leaving a ton of money on the table. What if I told you you can give a little bit of money right now to make a lot more within the next 30 days? You would be crazy not to do it. So yes, you can do the Any Broker Advertise strategy throw them up there if you have that in your MLS, or get listing permission from the listing agent and then put them on Facebook Marketplace. You can start getting leads coming in, and then all you have to do is talk to those leads, go and do the showings for the properties, put in the offers, and then close the deals. It's literally that simple. Now, obviously, there's a lot that goes into this, especially if you want to make it efficient and you want to make this into an actual system, then yes, there's a lot that goes into it, but you can also try it on your own, right? If you're trying it on your own and you're getting mild success and maybe not getting any success at all, then reach out to me. I can definitely help you. I promise you, if you reach out to me, I can solve your issues. The market is not going to be getting better anytime soon. So why would you try going after buyers and sellers when nobody needs to buy and sell, but they need to rent right now? They're not going to need to buy for a while. The only people buying and selling right now are the people that want to buy. And that's it. That's all. You don't want to work with people that want to buy because they have no necessity. They have no urgency. They might leave you high and dry. They're not going to be loyal to you right now. Listen, people are waiting for these mortgage rates to go down. And yes, eventually they're going to go down. And hey, guys, I have a crazy strategy and basically a crystal ball of what's going to happen over the next couple of years. But it all starts with renters right now, right? I know exactly what's going to happen with the mortgage rates. I know exactly what's going to happen with the price of homes. I'm going to leave that for a separate video, but for right now, you can capitalize on renters. And then when my prediction of the market actually comes true, all of your renters are gonna turn into buyers. Watch, it's gonna flip to a buyer's market within the next few years. I'm gonna make a separate video on this, but all of these renters that you're getting now, they're gonna remember that you're the only agent that actually wanted to help them and got them into a place. So guess who they're gonna use when they want to buy? They're gonna use you. They're gonna say, hey, Mr. Agent that you just helped me rent a house, I want to buy a house now. Obviously, you're going to stay in contact with them, with like constant contact. Code Andy Coleman. I'm going to drop a link in the description below for that because you do save 30% if you sign up for Constant Contact, which is a great email campaign to keep in touch with all of your renters. When they want to buy them, you're going to be top of mind. So yeah, you can get all of this commission right now working with renters. And then when they start flipping over to buyers, you're going to get even more commission. Guys, it's a win-win strategy. There is no way right now that there is a better strategy. Drop a comment below. Let me know if you have a better lead generation strategy than what I just described. I would bet you $100 right now you cannot come up with a better lead generation strategy in this market today. It's an amazing way to make fast cash right now and sustain long-term success because all of your renters are going to turn into buyers. So you're going to double, triple, quadruple what you're making with the renters when they turn into buyers. And guess what? You don't even have to stop working with the renters. You could even bring on other agents to help you out once you've mastered rentals, and then you can just work with the buyers while they do the rentals, and you could take a commission out of that. Guys, it's an amazing, incredible strategy right now. I don't see any way why any agent right now that's in real estate would not be working with renters. It's the easiest solution to make money right now in this market. Go into my description if you want to learn more about my program. I'm telling you right now, it changes lives. Just like Mike, he started my strategy a few weeks ago, and he is making money hand over fist.
So Mike, you've been doing this for about 2 weeks or so. Just talk me through your last 2 weeks and how it's been going for you and everything, and how many deals you got under contract.
Let me tell you, Andy, wow, it's life-changing. Life-changing. I went straight to the MLS approach with the any broker advertise. It's picture perfect. I put them up on Facebook. I didn't even get 5 and my phone started blowing up. So over the last 2 weeks, I've literally worked every minute I possibly can. My phone keeps ringing and I'm showing houses and I'm writing. I've already got people under contract. I'm waiting to hear back on a contract today. It wouldn't be happening if I didn't follow your instructions. I love the scripts. They're pre-prompted. I put them in my phone. I just rifle them off. Bang, bang, bang.
Look at that, guys. Did you hear what Mike just said? He is making so much money off of renters right now, and you guys can be doing the exact same thing. I promise you. You can try this on your own, and you're going to have stress, anxiety. You're going to be pulling out your hair if you try this on your own because it took me so long to actually perfect this, but you can do it. I'm not going to lie. You can do it, and you can start making money right now. And listen, at the end of the day, I want to see all of us realtors start to make money, especially in this tough market. Now, when I say tough market, it's not tough for me because trust me, I'm making more money off my renters right now because more people need to rent right now. So I'm doing even better than I have in the previous years. And trust me, guys, I've made $1.6 million in the past 3.5 years of real estate. And I'm telling you right now, I'm doing even better. So if you guys start working with renters right now, why can you not copy the exact same thing that I'm doing? Am I better than you? I don't think so at all. I just think that I got creative and I come up with an incredible strategy to work rental deals and that's it. Now all you have to do is mimic, copy, just do the exact same thing that I do. If you want to learn from me, fantastic. Go to the description below and check out my link, okay? All you have to do is click on it and then sign up for my program, and you'll get taught from me personally. If you don't want to do it, just start working with renters and start learning slowly on your own. Eventually, over the next couple years, you probably will master it just like me. But at that point, it's going to switch over to a buyer's market. Whatever though, definitely give it a shot either way, right? Because all of you agents right now, you're probably struggling. We have a 90% turnover rate for real estate agents. That means if we have 1 million agents sign up for real estate, within 1 year, 900,000 agents drop out. That is abysmal. I swear to God, if all of those agents actually work with renters, it would be the opposite. It would be a 10% turnover rate. Then if we had 1 million agents sign up, we would only have 100,000 drop out. That's because it's inevitable. Some people just aren't going to put in the time and the effort it takes to make money, but you guys get what I'm saying, okay? So I'm going to go over my strategy one more time. Listen, all you have to do is take any broker advertised yes properties or just get permission from the listing agents for rentals in your MLS and just put them up on Facebook Marketplace. And then you're going to get hundreds of free leads coming in every single day. Talk to those leads, go and do the showings and close the deals, right? You're going to be putting in a ton of different offers. Finally, some of them are going to get accepted, and then you're going to cash commission checks. That's the outline and basis of the entire rental system that I do. Now, listen, my program in particular, it's 6 hours. It's multiple slides. It's multiple videos. I think it's about 350 of them actually, because I go in depth and really break it down. But if you want to try it on your own, just go and do it so you can at least start making some money right now so we can stop this 90% turnover rate. I don't like to hear that all of these realtors are losing out on real estate commissions because they don't know what to do right now. All you have to do is work with renters. And if you don't even want to do MLS strategy, you can actually do apartment location. It is so simple actually. It's only about 1 to 2 hours per deal, and you're basically doing the exact same thing. You're just taking apartment complexes from leasing offices and putting them on Facebook Marketplace and basically doing the exact same thing of fielding leads, going and doing the showing and closing the deals, okay? So I literally have 2 exact strategies that I use right now, and both of them work phenomenally. Some of these apartment complexes are actually paying more than the MLS private owners. I just heard today that some of them are paying 100 to 200% of the first month's rent. So get that into your head really quick, right? If the rent was $3,000 and they're paying 100%, that means you're going to get $3,000 commission for just bringing a tenant into an apartment complex. If it's 200%, you're going to get $6,000. How can you make that much money that fast doing anything else in real estate? It's literally impossible. This is by far the best strategy, bar none, and there is no close second right now. Listen, I would say personally a close third might be like a FSBO expired kind of strategy, because all these listing agents can't get properties sold right now, and all of these sellers are having these crazy high expectations. So a lot of properties are going to be canceled, expired, a lot of owners are going to go in there thinking they can sell it themselves. So if you're a really solid agent, like you know what you're doing, yes, there's a decent opportunity to do FSBOs and expires and cancels, but you're competing against millions of other agents that are trying the exact same thing. For my rental strategy and my rental approach, nobody's doing it. You literally have no competition whatsoever. In the grand scheme of things, it's an untapped market. The potential is endless right now. So guys, I'm going to cut it off right here. Go in the description below. Go to my website, www.richwithrentals.com. It will literally change your life, or just go and try it on your own, right? I have a ton of videos that I drop giving valuable information away about how I do my strategy. Now listen, it's only like 10 or 20% of the entire thing, if that, right? Maybe it's only a few percent, but you'll get the gist of it and you can possibly learn on your own. Or you can take a massive shortcut and learn directly from me, the person that created this entire thing. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel because 75% of you are not subscribed. What the heck are you doing? Hit that subscribe button and I'll catch everybody in the next one. All right, that's pretty damn good, not bad.